Hey everyone, welcome back to Review One Box, your go-to destination for honest car news and reviews. And today, we're talking about the next generation of Mercedes-Benz E-Class, and this time, E stands for electric. Yes, you heard it right. Mercedes is officially ditching the awkward EQE vibe and going back to what buyers actually want. According to the latest reveals and first images, this upcoming electric E-Class will ride on Mercedes's next-gen MB.EA platform and is expected to arrive around 2027. And here's the big deal. It looks like a real E-Class again. No more egg-shaped design. This one brings back classic sedan proportions, sharper lines, and a more aggressive premium presence that US and global buyers prefer. Think modern luxury with electric whisper. This model is set to replace the EQE entirely, which honestly struggled in markets like the US, and Mercedes knows it. Expect advanced 800-volt architecture for faster charging, longer range, dual-motor all-wheel drive options, and next-level technology. Likely massive screens, smarter AI infotainment, and refined luxury that directly targets Tesla Model S, BMW i5, and even Lucid. This is Mercedes blending traditional E-Class elegance with cutting-edge EV performance. And if they price it right, this could be a massive comeback in the premium electric sedan game, especially in North America. So if you've been waiting for an electric Mercedes that actually feels like a Mercedes, this might be the one. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more clean and honest car content, and as always, thanks for watching, keep driving, and I'll see you in the next one.